Turn it off on the side.
What does that say?
It's running. Yeah.
It's running? All right.
Hey. Hey, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. We just had Stan roll up on us here.
Hey, Stan.
And look, we got Tim over here,
Tim.
too. These guys were killing it at Liberty yesterday, and they're here at Roundtop with us. Yep. Today is Thursday, February 5th. And look at how is this run, guys?
Lovely.
It looks beautiful, like 9 out of 10.
Yeah. Barrett's trail's really well groomed, a little icy, but in dark. Wait for the sun to get up.
Awesome. All right, Mike,
So
Mike, you hear that? It's going to be good skiing today. It's on these guys now. And we got Chuck here with us too.
Yeah, here I am. And who said they're well groomed? Certainly not my hair.
All right, guys. Well, let's go have some fun on those slopes today.
Yep, see you out there.
I heard the beep.
I heard the silly beep. Triple.
Now we're gonna take George down Barrett's trail. This is one of my favorites.
Barrett's.
Yeah. It's a nice little short trail with an S-turn at the end. I think it should be a blue because you'll see why I say that.
Okay. I see. That's what I'll do. All right.
I'd be good at cross country. Georgia of the jungle, friends of you and me. Georgia of the jungle, watch out for that tree. I prefer the upper side of the tree. And then an immediate left. Oh, hell yeah.
I wasn't ready for this being so exciting. Next time.
I enjoy that little little kerns and then the.
That's nice.
I was.
Half pipe, right?
Yeah, but it's all icy down the middle now, so probably not again because the border scraped it all out. I was trying to tweak my skis when I jumped over the last one earlier, but I couldn't figure out how to get them back both down straight. Now let's see if I can figure out how to do this. Oh, we're gonna take this one. We have not been on this lift yet. Ski-wee! Oh.
Oh, I moved.
Hey, that jacket looks familiar, Chuck. I can jump too.
You want to go back to the lift one here? You want to go that little lift?
So how do we go? Then I will have
To the right.
Down and to the right.
Yeah, we'll follow Mike.
Well,
If you want to be on
all the way to
video.
the bottom.
Chuck, you go.
Okay.
George goes, I'll follow.
Let's do it.
Oh, now I gotta play catch up. Because I broke form. So never break your form. When you get something that's comfy and natural, just stick with it and don't try anything else. Because if it works for you, it works for you. I like the duck camo.
Thank you. I like yours too.
Thank you.
Flashback.
When did that happen?
Thank you.
All right, down. Let's see where the Minuteman is. Me?
You know where he's at, down in the car. The lift.
Straight down, basically?
Keep an eye out for him. If he's already on the snow, then we don't have to go out.
Okay.
They have like the global scholars writing on the
I'll follow you too. Yeah. After you, George. Look at George's car. Let's see if I can catch them.
Hold, Michael?
Yeah, they're under my leg. Ever since you taught me that trick, Chuck, that's all I've done since I dropped one yesterday off the lift at Liberty.
Well, who's going to go first? Who's going to be the nut?
Who's gonna be the nut? I can. I was gonna say I got the camera, but I can be the nut.
I want to see them. I want to see them take.
Yeah, and it's nice because I got a camera, so I can film them a little bit.
Well, maybe. Plus, I don't know how easy it is. Yeah, sure. Yeah, it has to be. Yep.
Huh. You want me to be crazy man first?
Go ahead, yeah.
Well, you know it's my third day and I only go like 45. Giorgio! You see, I was trying to keep it tight like they were.
It's not easy. It was pretty hard, especially left. This was a little harder than I expected.
A few minutes later. Flashback.
Yeah, but you don't have that. Wow, that was another great day here at Ski Roundtop today, Thursday, February 5th. And we got George with us today. Look at this guy. This was your first time here. How was it, George?
Oh, it's great. Fantastic snow. Great snow.
You like it?
At least 8 out of 10, maybe 9 now that I'm warming up.
You're warming
So,
up. How many runs did you do?
4 so far.
Just so far.
And it's almost 5 o'clock. But
So this is also your first day here, Mike. What were your favorite runs here? Like the Minuteman, I guess, Susquehanna exhibition, ramrods?
I like the Minuteman, and then I like, oh, Chuck help me out. What's Beetle?
Fife and drum or Fannie?
No.
Fannie Hill?
The, starts with a B. Chuck.
Oh,
The one that cut over to the little terrain park.
Yeah, that would be Fife and drum. So
Okay.
yeah. Okay, and Chuck, which were your outstanding runs today?
I liked all of them.
You liked
Yeah,
all of them?
no,
Okay.
Yeah, they're all good with the exception. I didn't care for Ramrod. They did not groom it today.
Oh, okay.
They did not groom it, so that's you know.
But you went down.
I'm an old softy.
All right. Well, we see lots of people out here still enjoying it. How's the terrain park? Is that lighting up?
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Yeah. All right. All right. Well, that wraps up a great day, at least for me here at Roundtop. These crazy guys are going to keep going for a couple hours yet, I think. But, thanks for watching, everybody. We'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.
Watch out for that tree. When he gets in the scrape, he makes his escape with the help of his friend, an 8-day-day. Then away he'll schlep on his elephant ship, while Fella and Ursula stay in step. Well, George of the jungle, friend to you and me. Watch out for that tree. Watch out for that tree. George of the jungle, friend to you.